Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you in Psalm 60 verse 12. Through God we shall do valiantly, for he it is that shall tread down our enemies. So this is the message of the words of God here in Psalm. That God wants you to be a valiant fighter. God wants you to fight without doubting. God wants you to keep on being courageous. God wants you to stand. Be set apart from the earthly things because God is pruning you. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Bye.